Hello students, let us continue with your back exercise, that is workout given at page number 101. So fill in the blanks. In the first fill-ups, evaporation is rapid on a sunny day. Second, evaporation takes place only from the surface of liquid. Then the third one is temperature of liquid remains constant during boiling. The fourth one is all mass of liquid take part in boiling. Boiling is a rapid process. Solids expand the least and gases expand the most on being heated. A mercury thermometer makes use of the principle of thermal expansion and contraction on heating. Now B, marks true or false. Boiling occurs at any temperature. It is false. Boilings occur at fixed temperature. Evaporation takes place at all temperature. This is true. The molecules of liquids rejected heat to surrounding in evaporation. This is false. Heat is rejected during boiling. This is true. Cooling is produced in evaporation. This is true. A longer rod expands less than a shorter rod on similar heating. This is false. Iron expands less than copper. This is true. So you can write here true. This is true. Copper. This is true. Iron expand less than copper. This is true because copper expand more. So this is true. So with this exercise is completed. Even I have written here. You can note down it. Fill in the blanks, contractions, and then this is true. Now match the following. Boiling, that is noisy process. Evaporation, that is a slow process. In bar, it is used in pendulum of a clock. Pyrex glass, it is used in kitchen glassware. So this is D, A, C, B. Now there are certain questions are there. You can do it of your own, and if you come across any of the problem, we will discuss in the doubt classes. So that's all. Thank you very much.